Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on the ultimate guide to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. It has been shown to have many health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but rather an eating pattern. It does not tell you what to eat, but when to eat. There are many different ways to do intermittent fasting, but the most common methods involve fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. For example, you might choose to eat from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. Another popular method is the 5-2 diet, which involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have many health benefits, including weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight by reducing your calorie intake and boosting your metabolism. Improved blood sugar control. Intermittent fasting can help to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can help to improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Increased longevity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to increase lifespan in animals, and there is some evidence that it may have the same effect in humans. How to do intermittent fasting. If you are new to intermittent fasting, it is important to start slowly. Begin by fasting for 12 hours each day and gradually increase the fasting window as you become more comfortable. It is also important to drink plenty of water and other unsweetened beverages during your fasting periods. You can also consume black coffee or tea, but avoid adding any sugar or milk. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to help you succeed on intermittent fasting. Start slowly and gradually increase the fasting window as you become more comfortable. Drink plenty of water and other unsweetened beverages during your fasting periods. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of caffeine. Eat healthy and nutritious foods during your eating windows. Listen to your body and break your fast if you feel unwell. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting is a safe and effective way to improve your health and well-being. If you are considering trying intermittent fasting, be sure to talk to your doctor first to make sure it is right for you.